Google might be quietly rewriting the rules for Android phones, and if the latest leaks are accurate, the Pixel 11 Pro could be about to shake up everything you thought you knew about speed, connectivity, and even emergency tech. We're talking about a potential leap in 5G performance, satellite connectivity, and a partnership that could finally bring Google's flagship into uncharted territory. Welcome back, viewers. James here. Like, share, and subscribe for more. So, here's the deal. The Pixel 10 series was divisive, to say the least. Tech enthusiasts complained about the Tensor G5, the cameras, and even the value for money compared to iPhones. And yet, sales tell a very different story. In the US, the Pixel 10 somehow shattered monthly sales records, proving something important: Google isn't chasing the hobbyist crowd anymore. They're targeting the everyday user, the person who just wants a solid phone that works without fuss. Tech enthusiasts care about specs, benchmarks, and modding possibilities. Average consumers, not so much. They want reliable cameras, decent battery life, and a phone that doesn't make life harder. Ask someone on the street what they think of the Pixel, and you won't hear Tensor G5 underperforms. You'll hear, it's simple, the camera is great, and it feels good in my hand. Google seems to understand this perfectly, and it's why their sales strategy in the US is practically flawless. Carrier deals are key. The Pixel 10 has been practically free on monthly plans, often with no trade-in required. For families upgrading multiple devices, this is a no-brainer. Add limited competition in the market, where most consumers see Apple, Samsung, and Google only, and a massive advertising push across sports, social media, and TV, and you've got the perfect storm. The average consumer sees value, accessibility, and simplicity. Enthusiasts, they see compromises, but that's not the market Google is chasing right now. Now, here's where it gets really interesting. Rumors are pointing to a dramatic hardware change for the Pixel 11 lineup. A switch from Samsung modems to the MediaTek M90. This isn't just a minor tweak. The M90 promises up to twice peak download speeds, dual SIM dual active 5G, and satellite connectivity. Imagine being able to stay online even when you're completely off-grid, something Google has never offered before. Combine this with the next-gen Tensor G6 chip, and suddenly, the Pixel 11 could be a tech powerhouse without the compromise on accessibility. If these leaks are accurate, Google isn't just updating the Pixel, they're redefining what it means to be connected in 2025. Faster downloads, stronger connections, and potentially even a lifeline in remote areas. It's ambitious, and it might finally bridge the gap between the casual user and some enthusiast-level performance without alienating the average consumer. Personally, I've accepted that Pixels aren't chasing high-end gaming or ultra-enthusiast features right now, and that's fine. Android has always been about options, and Google seems to be focusing on making sure the mass market can experience a solid, reliable, and increasingly capable device. For enthusiasts like us, there's still plenty to explore in VR, handheld gaming, and importing tech from overseas. But for the average user in the US, Google has found the sweet spot between affordability, marketing, and functionality. So, here's my question to you: does this strategy excite you, frustrate you, or a little of both? Are you ready to embrace the Pixel 11 as a mainstream powerhouse, or are you waiting for something bleeding edge to satisfy your tech cravings? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and let's see where the Android community lands. Until next time, James here. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.